saltwater bass. Giving y'all an update on the 14-foot John. It's been a while since we've taken her out, since she's been on the water. We got tackle box, anchor, camo seat cushions, some extra carpet just in case. She's still looking clean. That oil-based paint's holding up great. Let's see what else we've got going on. Got the removable dash. Got the radio and some spaghetti wiring going on behind there. Got to clean that up. In the back, I still don't have the stiff knee in yet. Got to put that back in. Got some holes down here from where the transducer was. Probably gonna clean that up. Put at least 3-4 bolts back in there. Maybe keep those. Paint this to match the hull. Put the stiff knee back in. Carpet's still looking clean. Hull's still looking clean. Got the black ropes on there. 1 rod holder. Fire extinguisher just in case. And she's relatively clean. The 1448 Polar Craft update.